What an exquisite place. It's called Hambleton Hall. This is a bit of a Sherlock Holmes mystery, actually. I've got crimes to be solving.
Lovely.
Yeah, this is what morning business is like. How lovely is this place? Absolutely stunning. It's certainly a place to refresh and awaken you after a 5:30 start. The camera's good. I actually forget how good this camera actually is.
Now we're on this gold miner.
I didn't hear it over the sat nav.
Continue on Stonebridge Highway for 1.5 miles.
He said, early starts and long drives will make you healthy, wealthy and wise.
Just made that into a song.
Not sure about the healthy bit. all the wise bit. Hopefully will make you wealthy.
Early starts and long drives will leave you with
Crippled with arthritis.
crippled with arthritis, anxiety and depression.
Yeah. And a worthless car. Obviously don't put that on there.
Oh, fucking hell. Say a joke. We were thinking of good names for a gardening business just a second ago on the drive home. I've come up with quite a few. The Ace of Spades is probably my favourite one. Or the Wrong Side of the Lawn. Quite like that one as well. If anyone actually starts that business, I want 1%. Thank me later.
Yeah, Shaved Bush would be my favourite name for a gardening business.
Right, so where are we? On the A46. A46 coming back from the middle of nowhere. I've had a meeting today. Getting up at effectively the crack of dawn. This is my dad, by the way. I don't think he's actually been in a video. Oh yeah, you've been in one video. Say hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah, I suppose the purpose of this video was actually just talking about things you don't want to do. And a couple of videos ago, I was talking about essentially doing the things that no one else wants to, and sort of taking that blind leap and effectively, I don't know, not talking about, you know, literally doing things that are going to kill you or put yourself, your life in danger, but effectively just being prepared to go that extra mile. So, Dad, what's one thing you did today which you hated doing?
Probably getting up at 4:30.
To be fair, that's it's not even uncommon. What about sort of on a day-to-day basis?
On a day-to-day basis, probably an early start on the laptop. Like yesterday, I started around about 7:30, and before I knew it, it was almost 7:30 in the evening. So it was almost a solid 12-hour day on the laptop looking at spreadsheets.
And essentially, this is the kind. I mean, they're just two like minor examples. You know, actually closer to home, taken a horrific pay cut for the last several years. It's been so incredibly hard, sometimes demotivating as well. You know, when you're building a business, you do have to make sacrifices, and we do it all the time. You know, even down to the food we eat sometimes. You know, you think, God, you really want to save the company some money, so therefore you don't go out and buy a lavish meal, you'll buy whatever crap the service station has to offer or whatever it may be. But the point is, in the early stage of starting a business, and certainly running it now, you do have to make those short-term sacrifices, because, you know, ultimately these are the things that will eventually, we hope, will pay off. I wasn't up at 4:30 today, I was up at 5:30 today, but I also won't return home tonight until about 11 p.m. Do I hate it? Yes, obviously. But am I willing to do it? Yes, of course I'm willing to do it, because that's just what you do. And unless you have that frame of mind of effectively just powering through it, and again, like I said beforehand, doing the shit that nobody else wants to, you're simply not going to make it.
It's not all easy when you're running a business. You know, you need to be prepared to roll your sleeves up and get on the coal face, because otherwise you just won't make it. We run the company, but Will and I are, you know, we actually go into stores and sample and do all the mundane, general work that a lot of people would think is below them.
So often me and Dad will do the labour. We will do things like, or have done, setting up marquees, for example, at 7 in the morning, and lugging round 250 cases of our drinks to make sure that they're in the correct location at some festival that we're doing, etc. And a lot of people would actually not do that because they think it's below them, but you actually have to do the hard graft sometimes to actually appreciate sometimes, when you've got someone doing it for you, but also it does give you a sort of a token of appreciation of when you actually do make it, I think. Any final words?
Not really. I'll leave the final words with you. Well, you've summed it up quite
I don't have
nicely.
any final words. So we will therefore continue with our horrific motorway journey. Catch you in the next one.